Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to our tutorial on fixing your PS5 controller when it's missing parts. Today, we'll walk you through the necessary steps to diagnose and potentially repair your controller. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a Torx T8 screwdriver, and a plastic spudger. These tools are essential for opening the controller without causing damage. Begin by removing the screws on the back of the controller. There are 4 screws located near the handles. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully unscrew them. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Be cautious during this step to avoid breaking any clips. If you encounter resistance, double-check that all screws have been removed. Now that the back cover is off, you can see the internal components of the controller. Check for any missing parts, such as the battery or the circuit board. If you find that something is indeed missing, it's crucial to identify what you need to replace. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get your controller repaired without any hassle. Our professional diagnosis is without obligation, so you can understand the issue before deciding on a repair. Next, let's clean the internal components. Use a soft brush or a can of compressed air to remove any dust or debris. This is important as it can affect the performance of your controller. Pay special attention to the areas around the buttons and the joystick mechanisms. After cleaning, inspect the battery connection. If the battery is loose or disconnected, carefully reattach it. Ensure that the connectors are secure, as a poor connection can lead to power issues. If you notice any damaged wires or components, it may be necessary to replace them. You can find replacement parts online or at local electronics stores. Remember to check compatibility with your specific model of PS5 controller. Once you have replaced any missing or damaged parts, it's time to reassemble the controller. Start by placing the back cover onto the front shell. Make sure all clips are aligned properly before pressing down to secure it. Now replace the screws you removed earlier. Tighten them gently to avoid stripping the plastic. It's important to ensure that the controller is securely closed to prevent any future issues. Finally, test your controller to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any problems, don't hesitate to reach out for help. We provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. In summary, fixing a PS5 controller with missing parts can be straightforward if you follow these steps. However, if you prefer to leave it to the professionals, remember that we offer no calls, no travel, and a hassle-free service to get your controller back in working order. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.